Hey, Cincinnati YouTube and the world. This is a 3 o'clock in the morning Natigamer Travels. We're taking a look at Daytona Beach International Airport. Here in Daytona, they service JetBlue, American Airlines, and Delta. And you can find them all located in one concourse. This is the second level of the terminal. As you come in on the left, you'll see your rental car and baggage claim. And on your right is your check-in and ticket counters. We're flying via Delta Airlines today to Atlanta on our connection to Cincinnati. Not much going on at this airport, but very efficient. Today we're flying on an MD-88. JetBlue, one day I'll get to fly on you. One day. There's great artwork all over this airport featuring different artists. Check it out if you're ever in DAB. Taking a look at this concourse. If you need to get away for just a little bit, there's a business center. And of course, some of the eateries. All right, it's time to head home. Thank you, Daytona, Central Florida, and thank you, Delta, for getting us there safely. We're sitting in Delta Comfort Plus, row 10, A, B, and C. Amazing seats, amazing leg room. She's gonna be just like me. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and as always, safe travels.